description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got another one of these German Nissin Demae ramen. This is the sesame flavor, and I am very happy to announce, I don't know if you watch the show regularly, but here's the sachet. It's going to sit right here, okay? A couple reviews back, I lost the sachet, which made it so I couldn't review the miso variety, which I was very... Oh, look! I almost... There's the sesame sachet. I knew there was one. I knew it. Man, I'm slipping, I tell you. But, yeah, it's, cold and flu central around here. I don't know about flu, but finally my daughter is back to school. Unfortunately, my son Miles is still not in school, but I think he'll be better tomorrow. We'll get to go back. So I am Mr. Homebody currently. Not such a bad thing. But yeah, I gotta reach out to Nissin Germany because the other one I really wanted to try. And there's a lot of these Demae ramen over there that are really, the ones I've tried, I've been really quite pleased with. What do I have left? I can't even think of what I have left. I think I might just be down to a beef variety. I don't know. We'll find out. I really like the spicy one too. That one was really excellent. Wow, is the sun gonna come out? I was really thinking maybe today would be the first day in a while I'd be able to take pictures without using something to block the sun. But sure enough, as soon as I took the thing off the blinds that I used to block the bright light, it looks like the sun is coming out. So I guess my dreams just won't come true. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, it's Wednesday the 29th of 2025 in January, and yeah, happy Lunar New Year. Today's the day. Although, where it's predominantly celebrated, I believe it's yesterday. Yeah, I think it might be the 30th there right now. Shout out to everybody I know over in Southeast Asia. Hope you have a wonderful holiday. They take a week off. That's pretty solid. Then again, though, a lot of the time they work 6-day work weeks, so a week off. What are you gonna do? You can do anything. You could make noodles. And there we go. All right. So pot, noodles. Have sachets. I'm going to add the sesame oil. Oh yeah, what I failed to mention was now I'm kind of feeling kind of crummy. So is my wife. Like, but it's surprising. Usually we get sick a lot more because, you know, school, children, we call, at least I call the school the great incubator. Speaking of, I was watching the RFK Jr. Confirmation hearing today. He's gonna make America healthy again, I guess. And he was asked, what do you think of the people's thoughts on Medicaid. He's like, people don't like it. The premiums are too high. I'm thinking to myself, Medicaid is free. That's like 100% free healthcare for people who are in a lower economic, like poverty level. Like, there's practically no income. So it's like, I don't know. I would be pretty happy with that price for a premium. Yeah, there's a big scare. All these federal help programs. I mean, there's so many people that are under the impression that food stamps are going away and all this stuff, and it's like big fumble by the new administration on that one. Don't take away stuff that make people like that they depend on. It's ridiculous. We have noodles. I gotta say, I really love the chew on these noodles across the board. All the German Demae ramen have just like a great fried noodle. I don't know. A lot of people would think I'm crazy, but I can tell the difference between all. I mean, I've had a lot of instant noodles, you know, standard pillow packs like these, and these are really good. Some of them get more engorged, some of them less so. This one is kind of like medium, and then but it's still got a little tooth to it, a little bit of chew. Nice sesame flavor. That's excellent. Absolutely excellent. This is like the sesame flavor, as far as Demae ramen is concerned, is like, I think that was the very first Nissin Demae ramen that ever came out. Ooh, the fancy bowl. Breaking out the fine china. Okay, placed gently on rotato. Oh, don't worry, I'll fix the camera so you can see everything that's going on in a moment. Oh, man. Usually I don't do it this way. Well, I'll do it this way. Seems like a good idea. Yeah, I haven't gone out walking or really done much. Oh, I did go out walking. I had to go to the store on Monday. Yeah. But none of my big walks or anything. And a slab of chashu, a torching, some, whoa, that piece is too big. Some scallion straight out of the Holy Slicer. Yes, I have a machine that that was built for slicing scallions, and it's wonderful. If you make a lot of ramen, it really works well. Especially, I'm sure, if you are a ramen restaurant, you might have something like that. I don't think most people wouldn't have something like this. But that's okay. Needs a cleaning. That's one of my chores today. Clean the Holy Slicer. Yes. Some egg. I found a problem at our grocery store, and they are just putting their brand eggs in all the slots, but it's hard to tell how much they cost because they don't have any of the other ones, but they didn't change out the tags on them. So it might be necessary to contact the Office of Weights and Measures for that. That's actually a thing. Actually, it's not the Office of Weights and Measures. It's something else. At least as far as state goes. But yeah, you're not supposed to do that if you're a business. You have to have things done a certain way. So people know how much they're paying for what. You know? I'm gonna add some chili crisp today. I'm gonna go with... Ooh, that sounds kind of nice. I'll do that one. This is the Bullet chili crisp from Taiwan. This is really good stuff. Very strong too, I might add. Just a little right there, I think. Oof. That one's got a bite to it too. Wow. Oh, there we are. Whoa. It's getting low. I really need to re-up my seeds. It's a sesame variety. I have to have a little bit of sesame seed on it. Yeah, looks good to me. Rotato, do your stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this fancy one from Japan. It came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Sapporo Ichiban, Watanabe Hichiro. It's a mussel scallop shio. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been awesome. Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Mike's behind you. Thank you. You have to stand there and doing the gear and then go up and you have to turn.